Meron ba tayong puwedeng i-advice sa mga yang na nakikinig sa atin? Kasi siyempre, you have the will really to lose weight, but yun nga because of the circumstances na nandiyan, mas chino-choose nila yon. So meron ba tayong puwedeng gawin?
So, mas madalas naman kasi pag younger ones, wala pa sila ng mga komplikasyon. But prevention is really better than cure. So again, for example, kung obese, by the way, paano pala nila malaman na obese sila, no? What you can do is, there are two common ways, no? First is we use yung what we call as BMI or body mass index. Kunin mo yung iyong timbang in kilograms, then get your height in meters, or kuha ka na lang ng yung calculator na lang sa cellphone. Click mo lang sa internet. So, yung weight divided by the height in meters squared, you get the BMI. So, ang normal BMI is 22.9 or less. So, 23 to 24.9, we call it overweight. Then, above 25 is obese. Yan for BMI. So, the other way to assess is just get a tape measure, place it dun sa waist ninyo. Siyempre, hindi yung naka-deep breathing, yung ordinary breathing.
Yung fake
So,
mo,
yun. So,
yung
waist
waist
circumference.
mo.
Yeah. Waist circumference ang cut-off pagka babae, 31 inches or less. Pag lalaki, 34 inches or less. So, ibig sabihin, above 34 inches for guys, above 31 inches for girls, we call it visceral obesity na. So, yun yung obesity na alam mo na pati mga internal organs malamang nakabalot na rin yung taba. Okay? So, if you have those, then yun na. Of course, even if they don't have obesity, pinakamainam pa rin talaga is healthy diet and increased physical activity.